Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to give a review regarding Vajiram online classes. So here are some of the booklets which I got from Vajiram. So I'm going to review it today. So basically I got 20 booklets from Vajiram. So they sent it via post. So the first thing I've got is world history. So this is the world history booklet. So as you can see, there are beautiful colored pictures in this booklet. So this one is world history, GS1. So then there is medieval India, and then there is ancient India, of course. You can supplement your NCRT with these booklets. There is art and culture. So the pictures were very interesting and beautiful. So these pictures make it more interesting to read. Then there is Indian geography. So there are many concepts which are given in this booklet. So it says yes prelims, but you can refer it for mains as well. So this is social issues. So this will be helpful in mains. And then there is post independence. So it's also for mains. And then there is concepts of geography. Now it says both for prelims and mains. So they have again beautiful pictures, colored pictures, maps, and so on. So this one is governance issues booklet. It says GS prelims and mains. So there are many concepts which are given in this book. There is international relations booklet also. So this says it's for GS means, but you can refer it for prelims as well, some of the topics which are relevant. So in this booklet, as you can see, there is like India and Pakistan, India, Nepal, India, Bhutan, and so on. So you can supplement this with current affairs. So it's for basic concepts and all. So this is another set of booklets that I've got. So here I have internal security. So it's for paper 3. So internal security, it's basically for mains. So there are many issues which have been mentioned in this book. So this one was economic survey booklet, which I did not study because I did not have time to study. The manufactural information which is given, I referred to the videos, lectures and all, but you can definitely go through it. Now this one is science and technology. We know science and technology, it's basically the questions are current related. So basically they have integrated both static portion as well as current affairs. So this one is science and technology. And this is environment and ecology. Now you can also refer Shankarayas. I did few of the topics from this booklet. There were many conventions and all which was written in detail in this booklet, so you can refer few topics for that. So then there is Indian economy. So I personally I did not like this booklet because there are many topics which have not been given in this booklet. So to be honest, I will not refer it. So this one is ethics. Now, ethics is very important, so I use this. I'll use this, and this one is for case studies. Now there are many practice case studies also, so this will be helpful. There is modern India. Now we know for modern day we refer spectrum, but there are certain concepts which have been given in detail in this booklet. So for a few topics, yes, you can refer this booklet. Okay, so this one is Indian polity. Now, Indian polity, as we all know, we have to refer Lakshmikant for this, but there were few judgments and few concepts which was given in detail in this book. So I referred this booklet for a few topics, and I still do refer it. For example, there's this concept known as anti-defection. So here there is the concept which is written in detail, like what are the objectives, challenges, way forward, and so on. So there are certain things which have been written in detail. So you can refer this booklet as well. And this one is part two. In part two also there are few topics which have been written in detail and the concepts have been explained it very well. So this is so Indian polity book. So these are the booklets which Vajiram had sent me. So if you get enrolled in Vajiram online class, you'll be getting these set of booklets. So now they will send the first set of booklets via post, and then later on they will send the remaining booklets. So it will take time depending upon where you stay. So let's talk about the course in detail. So you all know that I had enrolled in Vajiram online class. So my classes started around 24th of September. Actually, it was supposed to start around last week of August, but due to certain reasons, um, the institute told us that the classes will be starting from September. So the classes ended around the second week of May. Actually, our classes were supposed to end on April, but then due to administrative issues, the classes were extended up to May. So if you are joining this batch that is September, I would suggest you not to join it because the classes will be extended till May. So it's better if you join the courses which are like starting way before June or September. So these are the booklets that you'll get along with these materials. So the first thing that you'll get is Vajiram booklets. Now the second thing that you'll get is handouts. Now these are the IR International Relation handouts. So these handouts will be provided for every subject depending upon the subject. Some teachers will provide it and some will just provide the notes. So handouts and of course class notes. So class notes, they will also provide class notes. Third thing is current affairs lectures plus handouts which will be uploaded in the portal. Now the lectures will be uploaded twice a week, that is on Wednesday and Saturday, and it will be around 1 to 1.5 hours lecture. You can watch it anytime. Then there is prelims test, around 15 in number, and of course there are CSAT test included. So you'll also get the solutions, and it is topic wise as well as full length test, and there is a means answer writing program which starts around December or January for about 3 to 4 months. So these are basically what you'll get when you get enrolled in online batch, and the lectures you can watch it online. So let's talk about pros and cons. So the first thing about pros and cons first thing about pros is concept building or basics. Now, the lectures will help you build your concepts, especially if you are from not from arts background, or I wouldn't say just arts background, but then to know what is there in the syllabus. You can also do this, but then for me, it helped in concept building. See, these views are quite personal, okay? So it may vary from person to person. Second thing is understanding the subject. For example, what are the topics related to international relations? What are the topics um, which are included in internal security, and so on? So you basically understand these subjects, and don't forget that the lectures which will be provided is um, online, and you can watch it along with the um, the class which is going on. So basically you are attending a class online along with the offline students, so it is actually integrated. So when we talk about pros, there is also prelims test, mains answer writing, and the faculty is also good. So when we talk about mains answer writing, basically you have to write answers and upload them in the portal, and they will um, evaluate it, and they will mark it accordingly. So it will be around 10 marks. So depending upon your answer, model answers will also be provided. Now, when we talk about cons, it is very expensive. Now, it's around 1.1 lakh 45,000 to be precise. So, it's very, very expensive. So, I would say um, it's expensive. And then, next thing is like different subjects are taught. Um, for example, let's say you have two classes a day. So, in the morning, you'll have different subject, and in the evening, you'll have a different subject. And per week also you'll have different subjects, so sometimes it becomes difficult for you to you know carry on with the classes. So the third thing is managing self study. So when different subjects are taught, you you need time to revise it, and then study something on your own, right? So sometimes the classes starts from 2 to 8, and when you have two classes a day, you're almost um, around 6 to 7 hours spending your time on classes. Plus you also have current affairs lectures which you have to do, so it becomes quite difficult to manage self study. Faculty is also good. I mean, few of them are not that good, to be honest, but then it doesn't matter as long as the core subjects are done as per your expectations. I think that's what is important. And besides, I don't think coaching, you know, is that necessary so far. It's my personal opinion. So this is what I found out. Okay, so the pros and cons of this online classes. And yes, next thing is booklets delivery is late. So the booklets, uh, few of my friends got the booklets like after 2 months, and so basically what happens is as soon as your class start, they will not provide you booklets. So after 2 3 months, they will provide the first set of booklets, and then I think around April we got the second set of booklets. So it becomes very difficult for us to um, read something on our own. Like they say to refer yellow booklets, but then we haven't got the booklets, so it becomes quite difficult for us to manage self study and so on. So so talking about portal access, you can access daily current affairs lectures. Now that will be uploaded daily, plus there is current affairs quiz. So the classes will be from Monday to Sunday, so there won't be any holidays. And for 3 days you will have two classes. The class started for us, the class started from 2 to 4:30, there was one class, and then there was from 5 to 8 there was another class. So basically when you have two classes, you have to attend from 2 to 8. So um, there's like half an hour break in between. And of course you have also current affairs lectures which you have to go through or you have to watch. So that was the time duration for the classes. And the classes, as soon as the hybrid classes gets over, it will be uploaded in the portal and you can watch it for 3 times, and after that you won't be able to watch the video. So this was it for the online class. So this was it about online batch and online classes. So there are times when the network is not good, so at those times you can watch the recorded lectures. So for that it is quite beneficial, I think. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.